The problem of not making a budget. That's what we're going to talk about with you today. Today's topic is about a problem many people overlook, but one that slowly disrupts their entire life. This is the problem of not budgeting. Many people earn a good income, yet by the end of the month, they run out of money. The question is, where did the money go? The real problem is not income. The problem is the lack of control. If you also find yourself wondering where your money disappears each month, then this video is for you. The root of the problem. Not budgeting is not just about failing to plan. It means leaving your money to chance. People often think, I don't earn enough yet. I'll start budgeting later. But the truth is different. Budgeting is not for people who have a lot of money. Budgeting is for people who want to stop losing it. Invisible expenses. Small expenses are the most dangerous. Daily spending like coffee, fast food, and unnecessary purchases, they go unnoticed. But by the end of the month, they turn into a large amount. And you wonder, I didn't spend that much. But in reality, you did. You just didn't track it. Psychological reasons. Why don't people budget? Because it's uncomfortable. Because it requires discipline. And most importantly, people don't want to face the truth. A budget shows you where you are overspending, and that's not always pleasant. Consequences. Negative impact. Not having a budget leads to constant lack of money, falling into debt, stress and anxiety, no savings for the future. This problem grows slowly, and one day it turns into serious financial pressure. The beginning of a solution. Here's the good news. There is a solution, and it starts very simply. The first step? Start writing things down. Track every expense, even the smallest ones, because you can't manage what you don't measure. Simple budget model. A simple method. Divide your income into 3 parts: needs, savings, wants. It's not complicated. The key is consistency. Discipline and habit. Budgeting is not a one-time task. It's a habit. At first, it feels difficult, but over time, it becomes part of your life, and you begin to feel in control of your money. The result: positive outcome. Imagine this. At the end of the month, you still have money left. You start building savings, and most importantly, you feel at peace. That is the result of budgeting. Conclusion. Not budgeting is not a small problem. It's a habit that leads to big consequences. Start today with small steps. And if you want to change your financial life, take action now. Follow us, and let's improve financial literacy together.